I'ma head out then.
What's going on, man? This thing's alright right here, man. I like this. I bet it took a long time to put this one together.
Well, just a little bit.
One of a kind, too.
This is not anywhere.
What you running here, man?
2 custom 18s I built. They've got Sundown baskets, and I'm on Team Corey SPL Audio.
Yes, sir. I know what you're talking about.
So they got the Corey Dean SPL Audio V2 Team Neos.
The blue ones?
No, the 4-inch Neos.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the V2s. I needed 4-inch because I want to take a lot of power.
Yeah.
And these,
You got the 4-inch core?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
They're real strong. Not like the new ones. He's got the ones that Jody Coburn had with the blue round ones.
Yeah.
These ones are like they're the huge squares, and there's 5 of them.
Yeah.
You'd be able to see them through the windows in the back.
On the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so and his soft parts too. So
yeah.
I got them on 2 Banda 8800s.
They do pretty good.
Yeah. Nice. Each of them are wired to 0.35 ohms, so they get down.
You said point what?
0.35 ohms.
Oh yeah, you wired down. Yeah. And it's holding up pretty good.
Oh yeah, I get a lot of rise.
Okay, yeah,
because of the high efficiency of the Neo.
Yeah.
In the box. So like I rise to probably 1.75 ohms. 1.5
okay,
ohms.
Yeah, that work out.
So it's got, I mean, I play my amps. Like I've been demoing all day, and they've only gotten 92 degrees.
Oh yeah,
so,
that's all right there.
So, and this is my little thing. My temperature gauge. If it gets up to 100,
yeah,
it automatically turns my fans on back there.
Oh, that's nice.
And that's you buy that on Amazon, $15.
It's called the ANKER.
Yeah, it's a temperature heating and cooling temperature relay control. $15.
And you just wire it up to your fan.
It comes with a temperature sensor that just wires. You just you can lengthen it with a piece of wire, splice it.
Yeah.
It goes all the way over, and it's silicone in my amp heat shrink, so it tells me how hot my amps are.
Really?
And then it has the relays, so you can program it to any temperature. And then when the temperature gets up there, it'll click on the relay for cooling, and you wire your fans right to the relay, and it turns the fans on. And then when it gets below 100 degrees and it's cool, it shuts them off automatically.
So you don't have to touch.
I don't touch nothing. It takes care of everything.
You just keep on playing.
Yeah, $15, Amazon, one of my good buys.
You can't beat that. I learned something new today.
These are the custom Death Star bass knobs that I've made. I got a bunch to sell.
Are you gonna have them? You got them this weekend?
I got them. Yeah, I got them right now with me.
Where can I find you at? So you also they can buy them online. Do you ship them and everything too?
Yeah, I can ship them.
Okay.
I shipped a couple before Slam because people wanted them and they weren't going to Slam, so I shipped a couple of them. But I'll give you my cards and everything.
Okay,
we don't need anything. We got no hope. Humble myself, I don't get love, but I feel like I die till I feel love.
I sandbag when I don't give them the full juice.
Yeah, you have to hold it back a little bit. Yeah, you gotta make them last.
But I mean, I've only got you know, I got those 2.
Y'all be sure to give them a follow. Oh yeah, man.
My backseat driver right here.
Man, that's clean right there.
Yeah, he's handmade by scratch. I made him.
Okay, that's what it is.
I sewed the suit, I fiberglassed the shoulders, I 3D printed this. The helmet I bought, but I modified it to look more movie accurate.
Yeah.
A lot better. And they had a bunch of stuff I had to change. But one of the cool things is it's a reveal helmet, so I even painted all the little intricate details on top. And I found a mask, made him my own head. So I found the old man mask, I made him all scarred up. I got the eyes from a wax museum shop in California.
Yeah.
I mean, dolled them all up. You know, if you're gonna do something, go all out. You know?
You go all the way with it.
Yeah.
That's cool right there. Man. You put a lot of work into this.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vader. Chris.
Yeah, if you feel like he knows what, I mean, that don't even get fucking wrong. We just blasted that.
Oh yeah, you're
Blasted
right.
that.
Yeah. Reckon we started out low anyway.
Yeah.
Your feet were burdened,
That's a good thing, man. I'm gonna try to check that again tomorrow, man.
I'll be here all weekend. I'm camping.
You're rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.